Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Idioms with Kris and Amerikos. And today's idiom is to get the ball rolling. To get the ball rolling means to make something happen, to make something start, to start a process. So, for a long time I didn't post idiom videos. I did daily phrasal verb videos, and then I did, other videos before that. And after waiting for about a couple months, I thought, you know what? It's time to get the ball rolling. I need to start doing idiom videos. So I really hope you like these idiom videos, and that's what get the ball rolling means. Alright? So if you want to get the ball rolling studying English, you can contact me about individual lessons, lessons on Skype, lessons in person, and you can also contact me about different courses that we offer. So, alright, if you want to get started, it's as simple as that. Just get the ball rolling. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.